Yeah, he's taking the movie. Just keep going. I'm trying to get in the park there. I was wishing somebody would come around on their bike. Oh, there they go. My wish came true. Oh, right into the sun.
Bob Carlo, he's trying to stretch it out. Bob Carlo, one of the very best, hot on his wheel there.
Stay here.
So, ladies and gentlemen, in our
Stay here. Tell him, can we stay?
race, we only have one rider, 18 and under, and he's 16, and he's about to come up to the boards right now. Let Max Hall hear you! A junior for 2 more years.
Wait. Here comes another. Wait, I'm getting somebody coming down the hill. Just wait. Wait, Bob. Here he comes. Okay, I don't know if I got him. Now, next time he lets you go, you can go.
Ryan Marcel coming through here. Purple jersey, yellow helmet. Ryan Marcel. It's out of Minneapolis, Minnesota.